Hey guys, what's up? It is me, Toca Strawberry, and today, as you can see, I am on my computer, and today I am going to show you some Bop City secrets. So right now I am at the oops, one second. Sorry guys. I am at the theater. So, if you're wondering what this is, I just need to put that in my house. So, I am going to show you some secrets at this place and some tips for beginners. So when you walk right in, so let's just say, all right, there's no secrets in here. If you click around, no secrets, but you could off these lights, and yeah, that's for beginners, I guess. And if you come all the way here, you could change the settings. So if you want no settings, this is the no settings. But if you want like a mysterious place, like this place, this is the place. So you could click around over here. And you could off these lights if you want to. And you could play around here. And then here's a little bomb you could use, a bomb, and you could like click it. And also, here's like a script up here to the clipboard, so you could use that. And then here are all the clothes, like Joker clothes and all that. You could use this for Halloween or something. And then here, it's all the stuff so you could get ready. So like you could like dry your hair and all that stuff. And if you see this little box, take out these stuff and you would find a gem. This is pretty cool gem. And yeah, so let's put this back. I'm making a mess right now. So that's the first gem. And the second gems are, and also here's like a little bug. You could also carry that, and you could like hide. No, gonna hide. And now let's go move on. Sorry guys, and I'm also in my pajamas, and this is like a rare look of me, like a different look. Okay, so let's go to the storage place, and that has a lot of secrets. So also for beginners, there's like these little recipes. So you could get these things and you could make what's that? Alright, it's nighttime here, I guess. So first, as you can see, let me make it. Why is it? Sorry guys. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, there is poop here, and can you eat it? Yes, you could eat poop in here, and there's this poop, and then this. And then there's a lot of stuff here, like beds, this cute thing, pets. There's a lot of pets here. Some coloring stuff, no. Oops. And this is croquet, Nari's imaginary friend, and how to make that. You can't make it twice, but you have to take this food bowl and put it there, and then croquet will come out. So, and also, croquet can grow bigger if you tap on it. You have to put it on the floor, tap on it. Sorry, guys. Okay, there you go. Now he's so big and cute. I like when he's big, so I'm just gonna put him right here near Nari. now here's like a guy, a fish guy, and also there's like a Christmas hat because it's like Christmas time right now, and also I think a Hanukkah thing, and also this little thing, and there's a Hanukkah one right here too. We celebrate Hanukkah. Um, I don't know what that is. And then some other stuff. I think this is a stocking, and yeah. So now let's go over here. This is where there's a lot of clothes, and you could just wear it like this little headband, so cute. Um, and okay, and also here's a little skateboard you could just ride on. And I forgot to show you something. You could close these, and and if you see this, you could open it, and then you find a little crumpet, and it's making this. It looks like a kung fu thing, like the I don't know how to say it, but you could also close these garage doors. Yeah, there you go. Oh my gosh, why is it nighttime? And here's a little flower. Oh, I dropped it, but it's okay. And here's this little thing. You could slide down it. It'll be like, it's so cool. And there's this little thing right here if you haven't noticed it. And we put that back. But you could play on this like that. And then here's a dead plant. And then here is the firefighter thing. So if you want to be a firefighter, you could do that. Doctor stuff. And then if you open this, there is this egg type of thing, and then this. So you could become that. Could become this little thing. And then you could put it back. So let me just put that back. And close it. And this is a galaxy thing. So you could, I don't know if it's a galaxy or not. So that's that. And this is a monster one, if you have not noticed. And you could use it for Halloween, because it's pretty good for that. So it's like kind of costumes. And here's another costume. It's not here. Close it. Alright, and also here is a TV reporter thing. Like this, you could hold it. And then here are masks, since there's the coronavirus, you could use that. And then if you press this poster right here, there is another costume, the Sloth King. So we'll put that back. And there's a lot of other things, and here's also another plant and a box right here. Oh, I'm still wearing it. Why is it getting nighttime? Is there a glitch or something? Okay, anyway, let's put my thing back on. So sorry guys. It's like getting nighttime. I don't know why. But So yeah, I think that's all the secrets in the storage. In the storage, there's a lot of secrets. So yeah. Um, there's this thing. You could crumble it. Um, this one. And then this is a little bucket you could use. And yeah, I'll do part two on tips and tricks for and secrets for beginners in Toca World. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.